So here is my base of my bench, or the seat that's going to be here. And as you can see, I decided to put it in a horizontal. The concrete block sitting on his long side, it doesn't sit vertical, it sits horizontal. I put it like that because I feel more comfortable and stability here. And it seems to me also it's easy to cut it here around the curve here. So what I want to show you is what I'm going to actually build here. It's a seat, but I want to show you how I'm going to do it. So now what I'm doing, I'm mixing it properly, because that's the first thing you have to do, to mix it for like 1 or 2 minutes. And you can see the color here, it's really grayish, but I think it will turn green or olive green when it's going to dry. According to the manufacturer, you have to put two layers of paint, or 2 coats of paint on the area where you want to waterproof it. Okay, so I have to use this piece of tile because I don't really need it. I'm going to clean any dust, and it should be dry. So any dust you have to really remove, and I remove it with the brush. You can see dust are removing. So let me clean the brush first. So the brush now is clean, really. I just went out and cleaned the brush from the dust. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to paint it like a normal paint. Okay, so I know I mark and feel where I can put it. You can see the black mark here. So I always painting the seams, because the seams are a vulnerable place for water. You can see what I'm doing. So you really need to put a thin layer, not really a thick layer, because remember you have to put two layers of waterproof. The other place you really want to paint will have screws. So that's another place that you really want to put a little bit of paint. Remember, this paint is very expensive, so you use it in a wise way. Not just paint everything, because you don't really need to paint all the shower walls. And shower floor, I don't really recommend to paint it. It's really not needed because we have the pre-slope. Here in the bottom also. Corner is very focused. This is another vulnerable place here. It's very important to paint. So here I can paint everything because it's a seam. Here put a little bit more. I think it's done. So we're done here. To waterproof where is the bench going to sit. Here it was not very necessary, but I just put it for the sake of it. Here it's very necessary, and here it's very necessary. Now we wait for, presume like 1 hour, so I will see until the color of. So we're waiting maybe 10 minutes, and as you can see, the color is changing to olive color. Still here the color is a little bit light green. Just let you know, but we need to wait until all the color will change to an olive color that you can touch it. If I will touch here, it's still wet, but if I touch here, it's no problem. So after that I can actually apply another coat, second coat. Okay, so we wait another maybe 1 hour or so. It depends on the temperature and the moisture here. So the first coat is already dry after almost 50 minutes. So you can look. The color is uniform and it looks like a color of olive. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to apply the second coat. So that's the way it's look after the second coat. As you can see, the color is still light green and it have to turn to be olive. But what I want to consider is on the corners here. You can see here in the corner, make sure there is no any holes here. And here is the second one. You can see on the corner and on the floor. See on the floor here and here. Make sure there is no spaces or some holes that water can penetrate. We wait another 50 minutes, then we can install the bench.